Welcome back to the Learn Lineup. Today we're diving into the tiny but mighty world of ants. Did you know that ants can lift up to 50 times their own body weight? That's like a human lifting a car. But how do they do it? And why does it matter? Let's explore the surprising strength of ants and what we can learn from them. First, let's meet the ants. Ants are some of the most common insects on Earth, with over 12,000 different species. They're found on every continent except Antarctica. Despite their small size, they're incredibly strong. You'll often see ants carrying bits of food, pieces of leaves, or even small insects back to their colony. So, what makes them so strong? The secret to an ant's strength lies in its body structure. Unlike humans, ants have an exoskeleton, which is a hard outer shell that supports and protects their bodies. This exoskeleton provides extra leverage, allowing ants to lift and carry objects many times their weight. Their muscles are also distributed differently. Because ants are so small, the ratio of their muscle strength to their body size is much greater than ours. Essentially, the smaller the creature, the more muscle it has relative to its body size. That's why ants are powerhouses for their size. To put their strength into perspective, let's watch these ants in action. Here we see an ant carrying a piece of food back to its colony. This piece is several times heavier than the ant itself. Ants work tirelessly to bring resources back to the colony, often traveling long distances with their loads. They use their strong jaws, called mandibles, to grip objects and carry them over their heads, making them incredibly efficient at transporting food and building materials. But why do ants need to be so strong? In the world of ants, strength is essential for survival. Ant colonies rely on teamwork to gather food, build and maintain their nests, and protect themselves from predators. The strength of individual ants allows the colony to gather food more efficiently. For example, leafcutter ants cut pieces of leaves and carry them back to the colony to grow a special fungus for food. Without their strength, they wouldn't be able to carry those heavy leaves. Ants don't just rely on their individual strength, they also work together to achieve remarkable feats. When an object is too large for one ant to carry, you'll often see a group of ants teaming up. By working together, they can move even larger items back to the colony. It's a perfect example of teamwork in the natural world. When each ant contributes its strength, they can accomplish things that would be impossible alone. Believe it or not, humans are studying ants to improve our own technology. Engineers and scientists are designing robots that mimic the way ants work together, allowing them to lift heavy objects or explore difficult terrain. By understanding how ants share the workload, we can create more efficient robots for construction, disaster relief, and even space exploration. Ants are tiny, but they're inspiring big ideas. Now let's take a look at some fun facts about ants. Did you know that some ants can create living bridges with their bodies to cross gaps? Or that fire ants can form floating rafts to survive floods? There's even a species of ant that lives in harmony with aphids, farming them for honeydew. Ants are endlessly fascinating creatures, and their strength is just one part of what makes them so impressive. So what can we learn from these tiny giants? Ants teach us about the power of persistence, teamwork, and adaptability. Despite their size, they take on challenges with unwavering determination. By working together, they overcome obstacles much larger than themselves. It's a reminder that no matter how small you are, you can make a big impact when you work hard and work together. You don't have to go far to observe ants. Chances are, there's a colony right in your backyard. Next time you see ants, take a moment to watch them work. You might be surprised by what you see. Their strength and teamwork are on display right in front of us every day, if we take the time to notice. From their incredible strength to their remarkable teamwork, ants are a reminder of the wonders of the natural world. Even the smallest creatures have amazing abilities that we can learn from. Thanks for joining us on this exploration into the world of ants. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating nature content. Let us know in the comments what other incredible creatures you'd like to learn about next. Until then, keep exploring the world around you, because there's always more to discover. Thanks for watching. If you're as amazed by ants as we are, make sure to subscribe for more amazing facts and stories from the animal kingdom. See you next time.